Yeah. Good morning, student. How are you? I hope so. You people are fine. Yeah, that is what we are expecting. Student, what is the adverb? You know what is the adverb? Adverb deals with two words, add and verb. When this add and verb comes together, it makes what, student? Adverb. But it plays vital role in modifying what, student? Vital role in modifying, student? Verb, adjective and another adverb. So you might be having one question in your mind, and that question is what? Sir, how is it possible that adverb is playing a vital role for the verb, adjective and another adverb? Yes, that is the correct question that arises in your mind, and I'm going to clarify that question by giving you this example. The very first question I want to ask you, the very first sentence I want to give you, and based on that I want to ask you one question. Kasturi runs very fast, or Kasturi runs quickly. How Kasturi runs? The answer is going to get what? Quickly. Yes, this is the first sentence. All these examples what I am giving you have to keep in your mind, and the words that I am using in order to ask question, yeah, that also you have to keep in your mind. The second one, this is very sweet mango. How much sweet this mango is? Very sweet mango. Yes or no? Very sweet. It is sweet, but it is very. And very is what? Very is what? Very. Yes, that's what. That's what I am expecting. That means you are calculating the answer, or that means you are trying to get the answer in your brain over there. The third one. Sidhu runs quite clearly. Till how extent Sidhu is able to read, student? Quite clearly. Now here is the clarification of this all three sentences. In the first sentence, quickly shows how Kasturi is running, or what manner she is able to run. She is able to run slowly, she is able to run moderately, or she is able to run very fast over there. That means qualifies, quickly modifies the verb run. Take the example here. Quickly, this is adverb modifying the verb runs over there. Okay, moving forward, the second example that I want to give you is that, yes or no? Second example is what, student? This is very sweet mango. This is very sweet mango. Very shows how much, or to what extent, or to what degree the mango is sweet. This is very modifies adjective with sweet. What, everybody? Now, moving forward, third example, Sidhu runs quite clearly. Sidhu runs quite clearly. Now, till what extent, or till what manner Sidhu is able to read that? Till what manner he is able to read that? That's what. It is the quite clearly. That is, quite modifies the another adverb. This is what? Clearly. Yes or no? So with the help of this three example, we can get this definition, and this definition is what? An adverb that modifies the meaning of an verb. An adjective or another adverb is called an adverb. What, everybody? So it modifies what? It modifies what? Verb. It modifies what? Adjective. It modifies what? Another adverb. What now? That's what. Okay. Student, based on the working of this adverb, student, it had been categorized in 7 form. But it's my imagination. The types of this adverbs I have given in the family form, or the family tree form. The very first one that we have to see is what, student? And remember, in front of that adverb of time, I have written some words. That words you have to keep in your mind, because with the help of that word, you have to ask question to the sentence. Then only you are going to get a answer. Otherwise, you will not going to get. The very first one, adverb of time. Adverb of what? Time. What are you going to use in order to get the answer from the sentence? When. Okay. Then adverb of frequency. How often? Adverb of place. Where? Yes or no? Then adverb of manner. How or till what manner? Then adverb of degree or quality. How much or what extent? And another one is what? Adverb of what? Reason. That will going to be why are you late today? Yes. Then the last one is what? Adverb of interrogative. This is very, very familiar you people are. That means asking questions. Let's begin with the very first one. That is what? Adverb of what? Time. The adverb of time that refers to the time in which the action is taking place or action is happening. That is called adverb of what? Time. For example, I have heard this before. I have heard this before. Ask this sentence question with what? When. What answer you will get? Before. And before indicates it is the adverb of time. Got this? Yes or no? That's what. Wasted time never comes. Ask question with the help of when to this sentence. What answer you will get? Wasted time never returns. When? Never returns. Got this? These words you have to keep in your mind because these words acts like a key to open the lock of the sentence. Got everybody? Yes or no? Say yes or no? Yes. Okay. Let me tell you where is the existence in sentence where it comes. Where it comes. Normally you will notice down student it comes at the end of the sentence. Where? At the end of the sentence. But in order to give more stress, take the example. Just now I give you the example. I have heard this before. I have heard this before. But if I want to say, now only you have to come here. I am using one word, now. This now is what? Adverb of time. That means it is getting stress on that work. You have to come here now. Importance it is showing. So when we are showing importance at that time, this adverb of time coming at the first. Otherwise, usually it goes at the last after the object of the sentence. Understood? All of you understand object of the sentence? Object of the sentence, yes or no? What is the structural formula of the sentence? Subject plus verb plus object at the last of the object it comes over there. Okay. Student, now we shall see adverb of frequency. And this for adverb of frequency, what is the keywords? How often? Now let me explain you what is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency describe how often something occurs. How often something occurs. It may definite also or it may be indefinite also. I told you, Ravi, twice. Pay attention towards my explanation. How many time I told you? Twice. Yes or no? So keyword you have to keep in your mind. That's what you'll get. You'll get the answer adverb of frequency. Second example I want to give you. He came unprepared. He came unprepared. How often? Frequently he comes unprepared. Yes or no? That's what. Now note you have to keep in your mind where it comes in the sentence. All of you know student. Verb all of you know in the sentence. Yes or no? Then object of the sentence also all of you know. This only plays very important role. Where is the location of the adverb student? If you are able to get this, then you are able to understand. Now, depending on what we wish to convey, remember, depending on what we are trying to explain, we place adverb of frequency at the beginning or middle or at the end over there. Understood? That's what. Twice I explain you, but this twice we can put it at last also or in the middle also. Understood? Now, moving forward, that is what adverb of place. And what is the key? What is the key? Where. Okay. Now, adverb of place. An adverb that gives us knowledge about the place where action is taking place. Place where action is taking place. It is called adverb of place student. Come here. Come here. Now what is the key word that you have to keep in your mind today? Where? Here you have to come. This is what you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Second example. The horse grumbled away. Where? It went away, ran away. Now, where is the existence? Where it comes in the sentence that I want to tell you. Adverb of place are placed right after the verb or right after the object of the verb, student. See, right after right side of the verb or right side of the object of the verb, student. This is what over there. Now, first example. Come here. What is the verb here? Come. Here shows what? Here shows what? Place. So what I said? After the verb or object of the verb. Understood? This is what. Now moving forward, student. Adverb of manner. What are the keywords, student, here? How and what manner, student. How or what manner. The first example. Kasturi reads clearly. How she reads? Clearly. Finish off. It's a manner. How is Manish sir explaining in the class? He is explaining very widely in the class. Yes or no? The way we are doing our action, and remember the word that we are using to describe it, that is called what, student? Manner. That is called what? Manner. Now where it comes? Adverb of manner are placed after the verb. All of you know verb. Explains well. Explains. What is this explain? Verb. Well is what? Adverb. What now? That's what. After the object of the verb. After the object of the verb. That's what. All of you know object of the verb that we have learned in transitive and intransitive verb. Now, moving forward, adverb of degree or adjective. How much or what extent? Sidhu is too careless. How extent he is careless? He is too careless. That means we are using something to describe his carelessness. And what is that? Too. Understood? That's what. Another example. Sidhu is fully prepared for examination. Till how extent he is prepared? Fully prepared. Now, where is the existence of this adverb of degree in the sentence, or adverb of manner? Adverb of degree or quality in the sentence that I shall explain you. Adverb of degree is about the extent, degree to which something happens. They answers the question how or to what degree over there. Adverb of degrees are placed, students, to modify verb, adjective or another adverb over there. They intimate or diminish the strength of the word they modify over there. They are placed right before the word they describe. Understood? This is what. Now, the last second, that is adverb of reason. You people are familiar with this word, and what is that? Reason over there. Expertise people are there to give the different reason when teacher asks why you have not done this task over there. And that's what. And what is the key word for this, student? Why? Virat is vegetarian. All of you know. Therefore, he do not eat meat. What is the reason why Virat is not eating the meat? Because he is vegetarian. And remember, student, when you are getting the answer with the help of what? Because at that time it comes in adverb of what? Reason. What, everybody? That's what. Another one. He was failed in the exam. Who was failed? Virat was failed in the exam because he was not prepared. Why he was failed? Because he was not prepared. That's what. The last one now, but not the least one of this adverb. Because in the further classes, with the help of this all types, you will have to learn adverb clauses. And whatever keywords I am giving you, this keywords going to play very good, important role to identify what type of clause it is over there. Okay, let's proceed. Adverb of interrogative. Interrogative means all of you know it very well. When we are asking questions, as we are asking questions, you might be having few words in your mind. And what are these words? Why are you absent? When are you coming? How are you coming? These are the words that we are frequently using in this. Yes or no, student? That's what. In the sentence, they are directly linked to the verb. Why are you not doing? They are directly linked with the verb of the noun student. Verb of the noun student. Or adjective or another adverb student. They are, excuse me, they ask question about time, then place, then manner, then frequency, then degree or manner. First example I want to give you so. What are you, where are you going? Sorry, where are you going? What are you going to ask? That's what. Where you going to indicate what? Adverb of interrogative. When are you reaching home? When are you reaching home? Adverb of interrogative. Okay. Then at last student, let's have a recapitulation whatever we have finished over there. What is adverb student? Adverb that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb is called adverb of adverb student. Okay, I have given you this example student. Based on this, I have given you one family tree, and that family tree consists of adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree or quality, or adverb of reason, and adverb of what? Interrogative student. Okay. Now whatever explanation we people have completed student, based on this PDF will be given in which exercise you have to solve it and you have to upload it on Enter. Thank you. Bye bye.